Now, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah lost his cool on stage today. In fact, he also made a slap gesture to a senior cop. BJP protest at the rally had in fact upset the Karnataka Chief Minister. CM was seen scolding a senior cop and making a slap gesture. And the BJP has also reacted to this. Let's listen into that reaction.
कर्नाटक के मुख्यमंत्री कांग्रेस नेता सिद्धरामैया ने कहा है जंग जरूरी नहीं है। 26 अप्रैल को भारत के खिलाफ उन्होंने कहा कोई जंग की जरूरत नहीं है, हम इस जंग के हक में नहीं है, हमें सख्त कदम उठाने चाहिए। चीफ मिनिस्टर है ना, और पाकिस्तान इसको पूरा प्ले कर रहा है। जो कांग्रेस के नेतागण यहां बोलते हैं, कांग्रेस सरहद के पार पाकिस्तानी टेलीविजन चैनल और उनके जर्नल्स इसका उपयोग करते हैं कि भारत का व्यू है। He is the chief minister of an important state of India.
Well, my colleague Deepak Bopanna joins us with more details on this. Deepak, either gestures or statements, Siddaramaiah has been making a lot of news today. Tell us what is the latest thing that he has done?
Well, you were just earlier, speaking about how the Congress High Command has been unhappy over some of the statements that have come in over the Pahalgam terror attack. And some of those statements have come in from Karnataka leaders, including the Chief Minister himself, who's put himself in a spot of bother after his recent comments about the terror attack, saying that the war is not needed, talking about intel failure, talking about how the BJP has been making false promises and so on. Some of his cabinet colleagues also have been under fire. Today, while the Congress was staging a protest in Belagavi over price rise against the centre, a few karyakartas of the BJP happened to be inside the venue, then waved black flags and then shouted slogans against Mr. Siddaramaiah for his recent comments about the terror attack. This didn't go down too well with him. He then calls the additional SP who was on stage there, points at him, asks him to come closer, and then he asks him, where is the SP and what are you people doing? And then lifts his hand, gesturing in a way to almost slap him. This has now drawn a lot of criticism, whether this was actually something that was needed. Now, yes, there was somewhere the security situation should have been handled better by the police department, but on the dais in full public view, to yell at a police officer like that, making that sort of a gesture, that probably was not the best way for a chief minister to react. The BJP is condemning this because very recently we had a situation a few months ago where the chief minister had lost his cool against an IAS officer, and here a senior police official being yelled at, and these gestures being made at that senior police officer probably will draw more flack from the opposition party here.